For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ari Cohen, and I've been an activist and a promoter in the hydrogen from water field for some time now. About a year ago, I had a chance to build relationships with some of the pioneers in this industry, and together we actually built one of the most successful internet-based companies in this field. And I was lucky enough to travel across the US and host many events, and was featured on a lot of radio shows and TV interviews, and I got to build a lot of relationships with many of you. The reason for this message is to announce that myself and my fiance are actually leaving this company, and we're going to be starting our own organization. And our team will be focusing on building relationships with many professionals in this industry so that we can link the customers and the consumers to professionals who really know what they're doing. Times are tough economically. Oil prices are once again on the rise, and our country has chanted, "We want change." The good news is that the demand for new energy sources is always here. The demand for new jobs is always going to be here. And hydrogen from water technology, if we do our jobs correctly, has a huge chance of making a very big difference for millions of people. If you've ever felt that hydrogen from water technology doesn't have the credibility and professionalism that you want to see, then do something about it. We as professionals have to take 100% responsibility for raising the standards, raising the credibility and professionalism of our industry. Our goal is to get a hydrogen from water system on every vehicle in the US. Now that can't happen with simply having a website that you flip on autopilot. We need to build relationships with customers, link them to professionals, installers, manufacturers. We need to connect these people, and it takes work. What we're going to be doing is developing educational material, workshops, and training classes to help train professionals in this industry. Albert Einstein once said, "The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results." We've got to make this change. Leading a movement may not be convenient. It takes hard work, dedication, and even sacrifice. But it can be a lot of fun and very fulfilling, especially for a cause this important. I look forward to talking with many of you in the future. I'll be contacting you, some of you, in the next couple weeks. But feel free to send us an email if you have any questions. And again, I just want to thank you so much for everything you've done so far. And I look forward to all of our success.